how to create reports in Airtable. In this video, I'll show you how to create reports in Airtable. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable into your browser, sign into your account, and head over into that specific workspace where you want to create reports to. Now, Airtable offers built-in extensions like chart, pivot table, and summary to help you visualize and summarize data. So you can basically find that under the Insights tab. So in here, as you can see, I have this specific report on my Insights tab. So to edit that, click on your workspace title and then click on Edit Pages. So as you can see, if you actually add a new page into this section, you can go ahead and add a new report in the section. So as you can see, once you click on this will pop on your screen. So simply select pivot table from here. So pivot table is among the visual reports table available on Airtable. So pivot table group and summarize data across multiple dimensions. As you can see, if you already have this visual report such as a chart above, you can actually edit how it looks like again once you click on this. So that is how you can basically create reports in Airtable. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.